everyone. I wanted to share a quick Synaptic success story, and this time it's our work with Recast Software to help define their AI strategy on product differentiation. So when we started working with Recast, what stayed with me straight away and what struck me was the character of the company. Now, this is a business that has earned trust over years of hard work. In endpoint management, that matters more than ever because your customers are not just looking for gimmicks. And it's really more about dependability, reliability, and they generally have a healthy suspicion of change. So the brief was never, how do we add AI? Because everyone else was talking about it. It was much more thoughtful than that. It was about understanding where AI could genuinely strengthen their product suite, where it could create real value for customers, and where it needed proper guardrails around how all of this could be embedded into their differentiated value system and this real ethical trust that they have built with their clients over decades. Now, this was central to how we approached this engagement in the exact same spirit. We did a lot of the heavy lifting before the first workshop ever began, about 50 odd hours of pre-engagement research to just understand the market, their competitive pressures, and just a general wider product context that they brought with them. Then the next step was that over 3 very full weeks, we worked across the organization through executive connects, workshops, product demos, governance and data sessions, just a really rigorous process. And for all of this, we used our Synaptics proprietary strategy accelerators, which are all AI infused, to bring about scoring, synthesis, and also just help with our readout preparation. Now, all in all, this was about around 120 hours of focused work wrapped in a really short sprint of 3 weeks. And what made it powerful was not just the pace of it, but also the depth that we brought. And that meant we weren't just listening carefully to the leadership, but this was across the teams. And most importantly, we were listening very carefully to the skeptics, because in our experience, that shapes how we approach AI strategy for any organization. What came out of this was effectively an entire package, everything that a business would need to carry an AI strategy roadmap forward in a practical way, which meant build by partner recommendations, business cases, prioritized use case roadmap, even an AI Center of Excellence framework, governance structures, and data gap analysis, along with a broad data strategy direction, and even change management, training, and enablement programs to add to all of this. Now, what I appreciated most about Recast during this was their pragmatism. They wanted to stay ahead, but in a way that still felt true to their standards and how they have built their business. And I truly hope and appreciate the fact that we were able to land this in the way that they wanted. Now, I think I can only sum it up in the best way possible by using the words of the VP of Engineering, who very kindly mentioned that Synaptics brought a disciplined, transparent, and business-first approach, and how they appreciated our work, which we're very grateful for. Now, in the next video, we'll break down how we brought an AI-first advisory approach to this engagement, how we work, how we moved so quickly without cutting corners, and how we helped navigate a really complex engagement in a record 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching and for your attention. Really appreciate it.